Hey guys, Sean here. Hope you guys are having a good week. Waitangi weekend this weekend, so just out on site checking up on some projects before the long weekend. We're down in Karapiro and we've got an awesome mono-pitch shed behind us. It's 216 square meters. So we've got 5 meter high walls on the high side and 4 meters on the low side. It's got T-rib all over and it's a mixture of two colours. It's actually got Flax pod and grey Friars, so I think the clients chose really cool colours. There's a lot going on here at the moment. Central scaffolding is actually going to be here soon to just take down all the scaffolding, which would be cool. And also we've got the Iron Man concrete cutting there and here, just doing some polishing and grinding of the little internal part of the shed, which is going to be an office and bathroom for the client. But I reckon we just go have a quick look inside and see what is going on, and then we'll meet up with Andy and see how the build's been going so far. But follow me through and I'll show you. So we just walk into this first bay and it's pretty cool what the client's done. He's actually locked it off from the rest of the shed. So there's an internal wall that's going to be dividing this part and the actual shed, as you can see. Don't know what he's going to use this area for. We'll have to come back and have a look, but an awesome little space just to lock it all off. And now we walk into the big shed. You can see Andy's working away. This was the little internal section that I was talking about that the concrete grinders are actually working on at the moment. And yeah, it's going to be cool. I know that Andy's booked a pre-line inspection, so hopefully he can start obviously lining it next week or the week after and make it finished real quickly for the client. That's the internal wall over there. That's what it looks like from this side. So it's just got the same cladding as the outside T-rib. It's looking really nice. Also, what's pretty cool with the system that we use, our top hats and purlins, it's really easy for electrical to be run through the sheds. As you can see, it's already been done. There's some nice lights already up in here in the ceiling. Walking around the shed as well, you can see little power points just put, like there's one over there in that divider wall, one here. So obviously the client's thought about what he's going to be using the shed for and obviously fitted it out for purpose. So yeah, I reckon we go have a chat with Andy, see how the build's been going, and yeah, we'll go from there. All right, we got Andy here. How's it going, Andy?
Yeah, good mate.
Nice to see you.
You too, Happy New Year.
Yeah, you too. It's a lovely day we got here, as you can see, sun shining. But yeah, how's this build been going? I know we started it just before Christmas, so yeah, it's obviously coming along nicely, nearly there.
Yeah, no, it's been good. It's good doing it in the summer, a lot easier, nice and warm and that. So no, it's coming along well.
We have been hit with some pretty nice weather recently, so yeah, it's lovely.
It does track things along a little bit faster and nicer.
Yeah. So has there been any interesting things with this build? I know it's for with you guys, it's the first mono pitch you've done for us.
Yeah.
So it's a little bit different to what you've been doing with for us, but any challenges or anything interesting that's happened during this build?
Yeah, a little bit, eh? Yeah, it's been obviously first time using the steel frame in bits and pieces. Very quick, straight and efficient to put up.
Yeah.
All the joists, same again, real fast to put up. So yeah, it's been good to work with.
So it was easy working with like the portal frame and the steel house framing together?
Yeah, very easy, quick and fast. Everything's true and straight, so makes it easy and nice and easy to all put up.
And then obviously there was that internal wall as well. Was that something, you haven't done one of those for us before, eh?
No, I haven't. Yeah, but that was actually, once you start getting into it, it all makes sense, eh? It's pretty quick and easy.
It's quite a cool little feature of the shed though, I reckon, anyway.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it brings a nice bit of colour into it as you walk in and breaks it up nice. Yeah. You can see we've got a bit of a covered roof area out here too, which we're just doing the flashings and bits and pieces on now, with the Linus of feet and that. And
just makes it gives it a nice clean finish when we just line underneath here, eh?
Yeah. You have a few downlights under there and bits and pieces, so it'll be a nice entry into the office.
Yeah, so office and bathroom in here, eh?
Yes, correct. Yep, office in there, so 4x4 office and then a 2.5 by 2 metre bathroom.
Cool.
Yep. So at the moment with the concrete grinding, they've getting down to the exposure that they want and they're happy with, and then they'll obviously polish that. We can push our joinery back in, start putting our doors back in and stuff like that. Next step from there, we've done our insulation now, so we've got a pre-line next Wednesday, and then it will be jib, plaster, paint, and filler.
So it's really coming along.
Yeah, on the home straight.
So hopefully won't be too long till we're back here again. We'll have to get Andy to walk us through when it's all finished and complete, because obviously it's a pretty cool project. We don't want to let this one slip through the cracks, do we?
Yeah, no, it's going to be nice.
But no, thanks for giving us a little bit of an insight of what's going on so far.
Yeah, thanks.
And yeah, have a good long weekend, and we'll see you next week.
Sounds good.
All right, guys. Thanks heaps. Have a good long weekend to you guys as well. Like, subscribe. If you have any questions about building mono pitches, or if you have any ideas, come down to the office and see us. We can help you, walk you through. Even if you wanted to do an internal fit out, sometimes it's cool to grab Andy along as well and just express your ideas so he can get a better understanding of what you're actually wanting out of your shed. But yeah, thanks guys. Have a good one, and we'll see you next time.